Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit more of a relaxing video for you guys. I wanted to create my pamper routine for this season, but I wanted it to be something really chilled out for you to watch, and hopefully it inspires you to take some time aside to have some self-care time for yourself. The first thing that I like to do is to make sure that I'm setting the mood right. I really like to light candles. I know a lot of people find this relaxing, and I personally like to also have something for me to listen to so that my mind is kind of busy in this time, so that I'm not overthinking, I'm not kind of thinking of things that are kind of pulling me down. So in this time I'll personally like to play some music. I have like a worship playlist that I like. I have a be still one, so it's a little bit more chill, and I also sometimes like to put on Netflix or a podcast depending on my mood. Just a reminder that taking care of yourself externally is a really good thing, but it's not nearly as important as it is to take care of yourself internally. Be sure that you're checking in with your spirit, your soul, your mind, and also your internal body as well. The order that I personally like to do my self-care in is kind of all over the place. I like to first of all put a hair treatment in my hair because it really helps my curls to come back after putting heat on my hair. I use Olaplex 3, it's a really good treatment that I apply before shampooing my hair, and I do this every single time I wash my hair. I like to allow this to sit through a lot of the time that I'm doing other things, so I'll put on a shower cap and then a towel wrap, and I'll leave that in just so that it doesn't dry out whilst the treatment is in my hair. Next, I'm going to be cleansing my skin, and I like to do a double cleanse. An oil cleanse is really great because it gets rid of the trapped oil that's still inside your pores. So I apply this onto my skin, and I will also do a facial massage. Now, don't get me wrong, I am definitely not a facialist. I am definitely not a pro at this, but I know that it really helps the blood to circulate and definitely encourages the skin to be a lot more healthy. Once I have done my first cleanse with an oil, I'll go in with a gel or a cream cleanser. Today I'm using this one from Elemis. I'm really liking this at the moment, and it's just really great because it's helping my skin texture to be a lot smoother, and I find that it's really helpful and my skin's really improving since I started using it. Next, I'm going to be steaming my face. Now, this is something that's been a new thing that I've started doing, and I've noticed that it helps so much. I like doing this before I shave my face and before I do my eyebrows because it just allows the hair follicles to just open up a little bit and really helps the hair to release a lot better. But it also just helps with the whole skincare process and just allows the skin to be easier to extract anything if I do need to extract. Warning though, be sure that if you are extracting that you are very, very careful because certain pimples should not be popped. I only really do this with blackheads. I don't touch pimples because they do scar and they can get infected, and we don't want that. So I also do this for any blackheads, and I do it very safely so that it doesn't scar. So once I've done my eyebrows, I've shaved my face, I've also done any little extractions that I need to do, I will move on to going back into the bathroom and applying a face mask. This is personally the best time to apply a treatment because your skin is just kind of like prepped for it. So I'm using this face mask that I've really been loving lately. It's really good because it's moisturizing, but it also helps with blemish prone skin as well. So next it's time to prep for a bath, and this is one of my favorite things about having a pamper routine. Typically I like to shower, although I've been taking more baths recently. Baths are definitely more relaxing and they just help your muscles to relax. So I'll get all ready for the bath. I will start to run it with quite warm water. I definitely like hot baths, and I'll put in some bubble bath. This is some berry smoothie from the Body Shop, and you basically put a lot in this and then your whole bath goes pink and bubbly, and it's just really nice. I love it. So once I'm in the bath and I've relaxed for a little bit, I'm actually going to be applying a body mask. Today I'm going to be using the charcoal body scrub and mask from Frank Body. Frank Body is an Australian cruelty-free skincare brand and is famous for their original coffee scrub that was basically all over Instagram years ago. So the charcoal body scrub and mask is actually Frank's newest body scrub, and it's basically a 2-in-1 scrub that helps to target body breakouts, which I definitely suffer with. I get a lot on my back and also on my arms. It's definitely something that I can get really insecure about, but but with prolonged use it can really help them, especially because it's charcoal and it helps to draw out the impurities and it helps to calm and heal blemishes, which I really love. It's basically a face mask for your body, if that makes sense. What I also love about this is that it has the caffeine in it, which is the hero in all of their scrubs to help firm and even the skin tone. So I will apply the mask onto my skin and allow it to sit for 5 minutes just to draw out the impurities, and then I will kind of rub it into my skin to have the scrub effect and then wash it off with a loofah. And because I really love this scrub, I actually use the coffee scrub as well, but I've really been loving this as well, and because it's a pamper day I feel like I'll go extra today. I've been trying this mask and I've also been trying the coffee scrub, and I can definitely see what the hype was about with the coffee scrub. I've actually stopped drinking coffee and it makes me want to drink coffee again because it smells incredible. Frank Body has actually just launched in Boots if you wanted to check them out in real life. I'll leave a link down below in the description box so you can check out Frank Body, and also don't forget they are available in Boots so you can check them out in real life as well. So after that I'll kind of shower off and then I will get out the bath and it's time to moisturize. I'm using this moisturizer from the Body Shop. Next I'm going to be doing the skincare on my face, and I'm using this AHA tonic from Ren Skincare. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face. Then I'm going to be using this serum that does have hyaluronic acid in it from Beauty Bay onto my face. I find that my skin definitely gets drier in the winter, so I'm definitely prepping for that as we transition. So hyaluronic acid is really good to help retain the moisture of the skin, and I like to apply this onto my face also when it's wet as well. I find this really helps. I am then going to be applying my eye cream. This one is from Ole Henriksen. And then I'm also going to be applying some moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm actually using in this video is an evening one, but because I'm not going to be using any makeup after this, it's completely fine. It's really good to help brighten up the skin. I feel like it helps my skin to clear up quicker. So at this point I have rinsed the treatment out from my hair, and I'm just going to apply a hair mask in my hair for a little bit. I don't really keep hair masks in my hair as long as I keep the treatment in, just because I feel like it can over moisturize my hair, and sometimes my curly hair doesn't really like my hair being over moisturized. So I'll apply a hair mask for a little bit, and I just like to brush this through and then put it back into the shower cap and hair wrap until I'm ready to wash it out. Once I washed it out, I also applied a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to get changed into some comfy clothes and finish off my hair and kind of just get myself all cozy and ready to enjoy the rest of my evening. So I'm not actually going to do this on camera because it's kind of self-explanatory, but I decided not to do my natural curls today, although I did want to go for a heatless style, so I decided to put my hair into braids and I would go for waves instead. My natural curl pattern is a lot more kind of like ringlets rather than a wave, so I really like sometimes doing this, especially when I want to lay off the heat. So guys, that is the end of this pamper routine, and this is me in the morning. I've put on a little bit of tinted moisturizer and some lip product and just kind of put my brows into place, and I'm already feeling like a new person. It's amazing how much some self-care really helps you to feel confident and just more like yourself, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, also like this video and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.